Hello students, I am Trupti Prabhu and today we are going to learn 4th lesson of English text. The name of the lesson is Your Own Book of Science. Before starting a lesson, I will introduce you some unfamiliar words that may come across while reading. The first word is come across, means find something by chance. Come across means find something by chance. Sprinkle. Sprinkle means scatter a few bits or drops of something over a surface. Sprinkle means scatter a few bits or drops of something over a surface. For example, we sprinkle water or we sprinkle salt on salad. Hailstones. Hailstones are small balls of ice that fall from the sky like rain. Hailstones are small balls of ice that fall from the sky like rain. Particle. Particle is an extremely small piece of matter. Particle means an extremely small piece of matter. For example, small piece of chalk or wood is called particle. Shower. Shower means a large number of drops falling together. Shower means a large number of drops falling together. For example, falling of raindrops. Devastated. Devastated means completely destroyed or ruined or spoiled. Devastated means completely destroyed or ruined. Calamity. Calamity means a terrible event that causes a lot of damage or harm. Calamity means a terrible event that causes a lot of damage or harm. For example, events like flood, earthquake, cyclone, storm, volcanic eruptions, all these are natural calamities. Amazing. Amazing means great surprise or wonder. Amazing means great surprise or wonder. Experiments. Experiment, a scientific procedure undertaken to make a discovery or demonstrate a known fact. Experiment, a scientific procedure undertaken to make a discovery or demonstrate a known fact. Magazine. Magazine is a periodical publication containing articles on a particular subject. Magazine is a periodical publication containing articles on a particular subject. Newspaper supplement. Newspaper supplement is a separate part of a newspaper often dealing with a particular topic. Newspaper supplement means a separate part of a newspaper often dealing with a particular topic. Puzzles. Puzzles means cause someone to feel confused because they cannot understand something. Puzzles means cause someone to feel confused because they cannot understand something. Surroundings. Surroundings means the things and conditions around a person or thing. Surrounding means the things and conditions around a person or thing. Browse. Browse means casual looking or reading. Browse means casual looking or reading. Relevant. Relevant, closely connected. Relevant means closely connected. Children, now let's see some pictures. What are these? Can you guess? Yes, these are hailstones. What are these? Yes, these are experiments. Magazines. Newspaper supplements. Now let's learn the first part of this lesson. Children, you may come across simple but amazing science experiments in magazines, newspaper supplements, or on the internet. So whenever you see experiments, you may be surprised to see something amazing. But do you know there is a science behind all these amazing things? Today we are also going to do a simple experiment of lifting ice. I hope you will enjoy it with me. Suppose if I told you to lift ice without touching it, what do? Lift ice without touching. Teacher, how is it possible? Oh, it's impossible. No idea, teacher. This may be some of your expression. But children, we can do it with ice cubes, thread and common salt. For that, you need to take an ice cube. After that, place a piece of thread on it. Then, sprinkle some common salt on and near the thread on the ice cube. Wait for a few seconds. Hold the end of the thread and pick them up. Yes, we did it. So, have you enjoyed these simple experiments? You have seen how we can lift ice with one end of the thread. Just place one end of the thread on the ice cube and lift the ice with the other end. It is very simple, isn't it? Now try this experiment at home. Thank you.